Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First this evening, the response of the Jamaican YouTuber now facing the possibility of charges for impersonating a public health inspector.
As Sandy Williams reports, he says rather than charging him, the authorities should learn from him.
Casray Gray is the YouTuber whose team impersonated public health inspectors, gaining access to several food establishments in a fraudulent capacity.
What we did is we carry out the social experiment so people can be more vigilant by saying that, not because somebody have on a uniform where they can purchase a store, then we check for proper identification.
The content creator lives in St. James but says he takes his so-called experiment across several parishes.
This is not our first social experiment, We did a content where we dressed up as paramedic and we went to Sunfest, free of cost. Because we were wearing the paramedic uniform, we just passed the security and go straight backstage.
But after gaining access and even addressing the public at a government event at Crab Circle in Kingston, he is now threatened with fines or prison time as officials are promising strong repercussions for the deception.
Impersonation of the government official is a serious offense.
We as content creators, we never really take it so serious like them that are real, because as we say, we were making it so obvious that we're not health inspector. We have long hair, beard, we have a obviously fake ID. Is what I mean? So then me just think they kind of embarrassed still, because the way we just infiltrate the system and just get to go up on the podium, go give speech, understand. But as I'm saying, I apologize to him, and no offense, we're just content creator and we're just doing a social experiment. So maybe him get catching a crossfire, but you understand? Big up yourself and hopefully one day man him can sit down and we can have a drink and we can talk about everything.
For using a fake ID to deceive, he could be fined $500,000 or 6 months in prison. For impersonating a government official, he could be fined $250,000 if it is the first offense. In response to the backlash, he insists that the authorities are focusing on the wrong thing. He says he has helped them to identify issues with the system, as the uniforms his team wore were easily purchased at a store in Montego Bay.
Instead of the health inspector come after me, what we need you guys to do is, maybe you guys need to start putting some logos on the shirt so people can identify them without seeing their identification. Just like we have a police, they have they have their number and so forth on it. So it's just a regular uniform. All right? So now we are taking our early retirement, and it was good working for the health inspector. And health inspector, you guys got this now. So we're all tight now, so only got it from here. And must learn from we and pick up where we left off.
He says he has no regrets, but burnt the uniforms as a symbol that he'll stop impersonating government officials. As for the possible hefty fines,
we just have to hope for the best, and we've prepared, as we say, we have a lawyer on standby and so forth. So as I'm saying, it's just what it is. It's already, the act is already carried out, and it's what it is.
Up to news time, there was still no official word from the police regarding charges against them. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.